Oh, hi, officer. What seems to be the problem? I don't know how what I did justifies this punishment. Confound it. Slow and controlled. I think the department needs to invest in fuzzy cuffs.
Scared of me because you can't control me.
As you can see, I jacked up my handcuffs. They got some good old Scotch tape on there. So if the police department ever needs to know how to fix a pair of cuffs, that's all you need. A little bit of Scotch tape. Anyway, if you're wondering why I own these in the first place, it's for no reason other than... Got any guesses? Okay, I was a film major and therefore I got a lot of weird props and things. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the fact that I was doing my push-ups very slow and controlled. Slow and controlled. I don't know how that factors in to the challenge, but I like to do most of my exercises very slow and controlled to make sure that I'm focusing on the muscles that I'm trying to train as opposed to cheating elsewhere. But I also included a clip of me doing them a little bit faster just in case. Anyway, I also wanted to include a little extra challenge to up the ante with this handcuff push-up situation, so stay tuned for that. Now this truly is cruel and unusual punishment, but I guess... Guess I gotta do the other arm. I'm right side dominant. Uh-ohs. get me out of this stupid thing, please. And to all the swole BBs who might be wondering, hey, why is this guy not manscaped right now?
Got hairy like animals. Good, baby. Very good.
Well, typically I like to be nice and shaven as to show off all of the definition and such, but I'm currently doing a little experiment. I'm not shaving because in a future YouTube video, I'm going to compare and contrast a hairier physique with a shaven physique to show how much body hair can influence your muscular definition. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, bye-bye. No, I said bye-bye. Bye. Okay, we'll flex on him. Okay, I'm like,